Well, I haven't made much for any duck hunting videos, and today it is late October, and we are experiencing a very early freeze up here in northwest Minnesota. And the lake that we'll be hunting on is essentially 98% frozen right now. There's about a ½ inch to 3/4 inch of ice across the entirety of it. The areas that are open are the areas that the ducks have kept open. And I was out scouting earlier today, and there's an area that is obviously open water. I can't see it, but I can see the ducks pouring into it. And every time an eagle comes by, you can see like 100 to 150 get up, buzz around, and then go right back to that exact same spot. So I figured it has the potential to be a really fun afternoon shoot, and I just ran back home to grab the GoPro. I'll be hunting with another person today. We'll be taking his boat out, and hopefully we can get to the spot. It's probably like 500 yards out from the access point, and we'll just see how tough it is breaking the ice. There hasn't been any boats out here since yesterday, it looks like. So we're about to pull into the access point here, and hopefully we can get into some fun late season, well, not terribly late season, but for this year, late season diver hunting. Otter running way out there. Well, it's tough to see with the GoPro, I bet. Breaking ice. Make it a little easier for the boat to get through here. It's open water right there.
Pintail.
Go ahead and get ready. Go.
Oh no, now I have to pick one.
Nice! I don't. Oh, I didn't see that one. Oh. I kind of want to shoot that one.
Here's coming in.
I almost want to switch with you. I don't.
Okay.
If that's alright.
Coming in.
is gonna die. Oh, Drake ringneck. Battery's about to die.
Birds are still flying, but we're limited out, so we're getting out of here with some light today for once. We only threw out the mallards and a pintail. We did get a couple mallards.
I caught a keeper.
Oh, he got hit hard too. Look at him.
Beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
Successful day. Alright, so we're back from the hunt. I got the birds mostly all cleaned up. And one thing that I do is save the legs on all the ducks that I shoot. This is one of the mallard legs, and you can see there's a lot of good meat there. A lot of folks throw these away, but they're flavorful. Yeah, they have some tendons in them, but there's a lot of good meat there. And speaking of the tendons, one little trick to try to get as many of them out as you can is to break the leg off like I have here, and we're going to make an incision all the way around. We're going to break that and turn that foot around it a few times, back it off, and simply pull, and that way you get a lot of the tendons out. I like to fry up the duck legs right away. I used to put them in I prefer the vacuum sealer, but these bones poke through the bag, then air gets in, so it's kind of a nice little appetizer to have after out hunting. But this is the food saver that I use. Very efficient. And here's what it looks like when it's all packaged up. Put the date, 2 mallards in here, 1 male, 1 female. The daily limit on mallards in Minnesota is 4, but not more than 2 can be female. So you can't have more than 6 in your possession limit. So that's why it's important to denote the sex of the bird. So it was a fun day out there hunting and rewarding. Filling that freezer is always a good thing. And yeah, duck is delicious. If people say otherwise, they're crazy. This is just the frying in butter and with a little bit of seasoning on it. All right, thanks for watching.